before we clean up, right? Better to have a strategy, right? First thing, consumable, right? So first thing we check out the okay, let's clean up man's room, right? Because this is the most first thing consumable, right? Consumable. Okay, so we have a here. What will be the consumable here?
This hand wash
Hand wash.
and alcohol
Alcohol.
and towel paper.
Okay. But why we have alcohol as a consumable here? Oh, you mean the people wants to clean up? Because then actually, you know, the other restroom, I never seen you put the alcohol in the spray, like something like dispenser.
Yes.
Right?
Maybe we can buy in
Yeah.
Taobao.
Yeah, something proper one, right? Because we want, if we think that it's strange, and the customer definitely think that this is strange, right? So maybe take toilet paper, imagine. But we have a toilet paper, right? And then, like, to be honest, toilet paper like this, little bit, feel like not managed and not clean. Do like this, right? Triangle and that kind of thing. We don't need to make it triangle, but we do like this and then like push the. But I don't know whether we go to that level, but that is ideal, right? So this is much better, right? Tidy, right? Feel like tidy, right? Like giving like a 1 or 2 seconds and make it tidy, right? And then and here, right? So we have enough this one, right? So it's okay. Then some, and seems like we don't have it. Oh, we have it. Okay, we have enough. Okay, so consumables, we check the consumable first, and enough, right? And then next thing we need to do is trash, right? Trash. I think consumable, we don't need to wear gloves, right? Because clean things, right? But, is it? This is I think. So also when the best way, I mean, it's better not to show them this end part is coming out of the trash can. This like this, and make sure this plastic bag is inside, right, not coming out. Because I know like this little bit of detail make the things are a little bit perfect, right? And this one is okay, right? It's not coming out, right? So it's and then what is the next?
Dust.
White one is clean, right?
Yeah.
But so basically, those like 4 things, right? We can use, right? Let's try this one first and then whether it's work or not. Because hygiene is for disinfection, right? You need to make sure that all the germs need to be removed, right? And then usually, those things that can make the smells too, right? So hygiene, is good for make it clean, right? At the same time, remove the smells, right? So, normally, right? Where we actually need to check up is actually this area, right? Something, flat on the wall, right? It's always like, this one has some kind of the dust here. So better to be able to clean up from here, right? Make sure this one. The skincare zone, right? We also have the partitions, right? And then partition has also glasses. So that area sometimes is very little messy. This is alcohol. So we don't need to spend too much time, right? We need to be very quick. One too high, right? Okay. So any other places? So is that money being somewhere we cannot reach, right? Then we can, do later, I think. Bring some proper, safe material like steps and everything, right? dust is done. Okay. Then what's the next step? And disinfection, right? Toilet bowl, right? Those areas.
So they see they can say
Okay, so we can maybe try to use these two things together. Right? This is a clean up, I think. This is a disinfection, right? So maybe here. Because like waters, right? Because all the like organic things, right? Potentially should be here, right? You can clean up here, right? And then here, definitely urines, right? These two areas must be disinfected thoroughly, right? So it's like when you clean up, and definitely you need to from clean the area to the dirty area, right? This one actually also we need to put this in a container. We always put this one outside. I think for the cleaners' convenience, right? When people see this one, okay, what if this is fall down? Right? Definitely, this one. Put it over there. Okay. And then I'll put this one. So I put the disinfectant and also the cleaning of material together. Basically, better to have one like a spray should be better. And again maybe it's just put for a while, okay? And then maybe clean up the meter maybe. Do you have a window cleaner? Okay, window cleaner. Clean mirrors make the people feel very nice, right? Okay. Okay. So then what's the next step? Oh, okay. Here, right? The bathtub. I mean the basin tub, right? Basin tub. See these black things, right? I think
The trans lady try to clean but cannot.
Yeah, I think this one. We need to find out some other way. I think there will be some way to clean up this type of thing, like some chemicals that that killing the older the fungus. This is fungus, right? So and the fungus and they make it very white. There's special chemical for this, but that may not be very helpful. Then we need to basically change this. We need to have a silicone to clean up this, right? Make it okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is done, right? And also here, right? Just like this is the water. This one, right? This one really, make the. We can actually remove this one if we can just try to, as much as possible. And the blood things come out, right? Because if you keep cleaning up, right, we don't need to, clean up this thing, right?
Use the toothbrush.
It that would be. I think much better, right? Right? Not perfect. But, that one? Okay, this one. Okay, this one is for this one here. Okay. So, right now, this part is done. Okay, then this part, right? Okay, so we can have a dirty. Okay, yeah.
Blue.
Oh, right. Make sure that this here water coming down this part, right? Sometimes it's like very dirty, right? It also takes a while. This black thing big, was like very like irritating, right? Let me see whether
But this
I think
is
not possible.
new church.
This is a new one.
New one, but this I find this not good.
Oh, this is like a lost.
This one. Okay.
Okay. So anyway, this blue one, we touch here, right? So better to separately clean, right? Oh, you want. Because before flushing, you need to do this one, right? But it's okay. We have still have. Okay. Clean, right?
Very clean.
Okay.
And
And this one, maybe you can have plastic bag. So small plastic bag, just you can put it in. Because it's extra dirty, right? So. Oh, so many, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then mold.
not here.
Okay, mold. Mold actually needs some chemical, right? Then also smell things together. What we use right now?
You wanna
Do you have some liquid? Right? And also the trash can, we need to clean up the trash can. This is a stainless steel, right? We need to have some spray, then we can clean up regularly. Right? And then really perfect. At the end, people can visit here, right? Male customer, right? Who get the under like, painful, hair removal, here, right? They feel they want to see the face, right? Whether it's too red or no, right? And come here and then do something and then see the mirror and then okay, so I'm fine. And I can read, That's the purpose for this restaurant. Make eventually, they feel very good in the because clean restaurant.